So let's solve an exercise using cross products. Here's the problem. It says find the area of the triangle with the following vertices, and then you're given 3 points P, Q, and R. So I suggest you pause the video and try and solve this problem yourself, then come back and see how I solve it. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is to locate the points and draw the triangle, just to have a better understanding of what it looks like. So point P has the coordinates 1, negative 1, 0, which is somewhere here. Point Q has the coordinates 2, 1, negative 1, which is somewhere here. Point R has the coordinates negative 1, 1, and 2. It's point R. So this is your triangle. Okay. So first thing I would do is instead of having just lines, I'm gonna have vectors. So I'm gonna have a vector pointing from point P to point R. This would be the vector PR. Another vector pointing from point P to point Q. This is PQ. Okay, and we know that the magnitude of the cross product of two vectors, like the magnitude of A cross with B, is equal to the area of the parallelogram defined by the two vectors. Okay, so we can find the area of the parallelogram defined by these two vectors. And if we find the area of the parallelogram, well, the area of the triangle just half this area, because if this is a parallelogram, the triangle is half the area. So we need to find these two vectors, compute the cross product, find the magnitude, and then divide by 2. So let's find the vectors. Vector PQ, again, if you, the way we find the vector between 2 points is that we have the end point minus the start point. So it's going to be 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, and negative 1. Vector PR, negative 2, 1 minus negative 1 is just 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, so vector PQ equal to 1, 2, negative 1. Vector PR is negative 2, 2, and 2. Let's compute the cross product. It's I, J, K, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 2, and 2. So computing the determinant, I would get I, cross the row and the column, get 4 plus 2, which is 6, minus J, cross the row and the column, I get 2 minus 2, which is 0, plus K, cross the row and the column, I would get 2 minus negative 4, which is just 6, so I get 6I plus 6K, and this would be your vector. So now we need to find the magnitude of this vector. The square root of 6 squared plus 0 squared plus 6 squared, which is the square root of 36 plus 36 equal 2 times 36. So I can take just the 36 out of the square root, I will get 6 square root 2. And this will be the area of the parallelogram. Now we know that area of the triangle is equal to half the area of the parallelogram. Therefore, the area of the triangle is equal to half times 6 root 2, and we should get 3 root 2. And that is the final answer. That's the area of the triangle. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them.